What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. Find the value of digits A, B, and C using the information below. And again, A, B, and C are all going to be unique digits, right? So we see that the two-digit number BA minus AC has to be 67, and the sum of these three two-digit numbers has to be 176. Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play, and I'll give you the explanation. So right off the bat, we can see that B has to be bigger than A. And the thing is, it's either 6 bigger or 7 bigger, right? And I say it could be 7 bigger even though the difference is 6 because perhaps we're borrowing 1 from B to carry out this subtraction. And when we really think about it, that makes a lot of sense because otherwise, if we're not borrowing 1, right, that means that A has to be 7 larger than C. So for example, if C is 1 and A is 8, okay, fine, 8 minus 1 is 7. But then for B to be 6 or more larger than 8, it wouldn't work because that would make it have to be something with 2 digits, and these are all single digits. So we know we're gonna have to carry, which means that B has to be 7 more than A. So now that gives us very few possibilities, right? We could have AB 0 and BB 7, AB 1 and BB 8, and AB 2 and BB 9. And that's it. Now, of course, we're going to remove the possibility of A being 0 because we're not going to have a two-digit number start with a 0. So this is out. So it's down to two options, 1, 8 or 2, 9. Now, expanding this out, we can see that if A is 2, what would C have to be? C would have to be 5 because in order to get 7 when we subtract, we'd borrow 1 and we'd have to have 12 minus 5 to get 7. Conversely, if A is 1, to borrow 1, we'd get 11. 11 minus what is 7? That would have to be 4. So in this case, C would be 4. So it's got to be one of these two possibilities. So we're going to go ahead and try this grouping first right here. Let's see 1, 8, 4, and let's see if that works over here. So right off the bat with 1, 8, 4, I can see if I add them up, 4 plus 8 is 12 plus 1 is 13. That does not give me a 6 here. So that means 2, 9, 5 is likely the winner. Let's test it out. So if we add up 5 plus 9, that's 14, plus 2 is indeed 16, carry the 1. And then we got 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 5 is 8, plus 9 is indeed 17. And even though we know it should work here already, let's double check. 2 minus 5 can't do that. Borrow from the 9, that becomes an 8. 12 minus 5 is indeed 7. 8 minus 2 is 6, which means that A equals 2, B equals 9, and C equals 5. That's how you do it. Done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining, and I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.